it's been a while since my last video, but y'all, school started and honestly it was a lot. But in today's video I'm going to be doing a lash cluster video. I will be using this kit thing. I think I got it from Amazon, but you can get it like on Amazon, Shein, and the TikTok shop. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, anything on it. So what you're gonna do is put the bond, because it tells you right here, I know you need to have something like a mirror below your face so you can see where to put. You don't want to put like, ooh, no. Okay, I'm back. My light died, but as I was saying, have a mirror down here so you can see where to put. So I'm going to use the, I don't know if I should do the lighter one, because there's this one and this one. Last time I did this one, but like I could mix them, right? I'm gonna mix them this time. I'm gonna start with the darker one, starting with 16 mm. You gotta be like this, and first one. And you're gonna add one more. This is already cute. Ugh. Anyways, add another 16. And honestly, I love a cat eye, so I'm gonna add some on the band. So I can put it on the outer corner of my eye. Like that. Hey. Hold on. Okay. And also put it on your lash line, not on the white part, you know? Okay, I'm gonna add one more 16. Like right next to it. Okay. add a lighter 16. That way it's not too much. So that's a total of 4. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a 15 right in the middle, the dark one. So if you have both shades, or like, you can do this, but if you have one, you can just follow, you know, the map. So this one is a 15. I'm gonna put a 15 next to the other 16, the light 16. I think I'm gonna add another 15.
It's 3 a.m. and I know you're on your way home from somewhere that's poppin'. I know you've been dropping. It's harder than I know. To that same song, it goes on. Fans will make her dance, fans will make her dance. I was something friend, baby, oh, take me and follow. I gonna lie, you be gonna make her right, just gonna make no right.
Okay, I'm gonna add a 12. Is it getting cat eye? Okay, I'm gonna do a 15 right here with the dark one. Not giving cat eye. Okay, we're gonna add a 16 right here. I have my mirror. It looks kind of crazy. Does it look crazy? Like in real life, it looks cool. Like it's cute. I don't know what this camera got going on. See? It's the lights. Okay, so I'm gonna add one more piece right here, but this one did not come with a 9. It skipped. It only has 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So I'm gonna grab the I'm gonna grab the lighter 12, and then cut it a little bit, just so I can have something small that can fit right in here. So you can definitely cut yours if you have to. I am not left-handed. I don't know why I wanted to use my left hand. So something small like that can just fit in there. Before I put it on, let me see. Yeah, that's good. We just need something really small in the inner corners. It's a tiny difference. But I think it's cute. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side and I will be back. All right, this is how it looks like. Okay, so to finish off, you're gonna use the seal end of the glue. One second. All right, this part, and then you wanna apply it at the bottom. Guys, don't mind my hair. I know it's bad, like real bad. Don't mind it, please. Alright guys, that is all for today's video. I did 16, 16, 16, 2 15, but like on top of each other, 2 14s, a 13, and a 12. I'm pretty sure. I will add it I'll add the final map down below. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.